So if you have been wanting to try out to shoot 360 videos but you don't know which one to get, which camera to get, and most of them are kinda expensive, don't worry because Insta360 has recently announced this, the Insta360 X4 Air for people like you. Now let me tell you why. What's up guys, Jason Smashpop here. So like I mentioned just now, if you're a beginner or it's your first time embarking on a 360-degree video journey, this might be your option, okay? So this is the Insta360 X4 Air, which is smaller, lighter, and also an easier to use version than the previous generation, like for example the Insta360 X5. And this comes in two colors, which is graphite black and also Arctic white. Now, why is this Air? Is because it is lighter compared to other versions of the 360 camera. This is only 165 grams, so it's more portable. So if you want to put it in your pocket, in your handbag or whatever, no problem. Now for price, it is also kinda Air level, you know why? Because it is more affordable compared to the X5 for example. So this, if you look at Shopee, you can probably get it from 1,400 plus onwards. Depending on the package you choose, it can go all the way up to 1,500, 1,600 or even 1,700. So compared to other generations, this is the most portable one that you can get from Insta360. Now if you're thinking, oh, I am paying less for this, it is like Air version, you know, it's also not so heavy, does that mean it is not so good? No, because the Insta360 X4 Air can also shoot 8K videos in 30 frames per second, including all the familiar features that we have seen and tried on other Insta360 cameras. For example, Insta Frame, video, photo, interval, star lapse, road mode, loop recording, time shift, time lapse, and more. And you can also shoot videos or photos using the 360-degree camera, which is front and back, or you can switch it to just use single lens. So in case you are not familiar with 360 and you still want to shoot like a vlog or a day-to-day selfie camera, whatever, you can just switch on the single camera and you don't have to worry about which lens to use, how do I reframe and stuff like that. On the drop. Now let's quickly take a look at the design, okay? Like what I mentioned just now, this thing comes in two colors, black and also white. The build quality is the same. It is as solid as other generations, and I really like the orange accent for the the grille here on the side. It looks really good. And if you look at the side, you also have the same Q button, which is the shortcut to switch photo modes or video modes. You also have the slot to put in your USB Type-C cable to charge it, and on the other side you still have the battery compartment, okay, that you can also slot in your micro SD card inside. Basically it's the same as the X5, just as pro, but lighter, smaller, and also more affordable. Now let's take a look at some examples that I have shot, okay? So the one thing that everyone will do when you have this camera is shooting a video. So when you have a 360 camera, it's more interesting on how you can shoot your day-to-day videos, for example. So you can go through objects, you can make it follow you, you can hold it high and hold it low, and it really depends on your creativity on what kind of video you can shoot. A 360 X4 Air, and the resolution is 8K 30 frames per second. The accessory I'm using is this invisible stick, which is quite interesting because no one in the video can actually see that I'm holding it. It's almost like the camera is floating, like air. Now, other than 360 video, we can also shoot 360 photo, okay? So it's the same thing. instead of a video, it's a photo of surroundings, and you can reframe it to anywhere you want after you take the photo. So basically now, Insta360 is removing the confusion of composition for you. You don't have to frame every single time before you take a photo. You just take the photo and reframe while you're editing it. Now, just like the X5, there's this Insta Frame feature which is very interesting because they allow us to shoot a flat video and also 360 video at the same time. And that also means once you shoot one video, you will have two versions of the same thing for you to use. And while you are shooting the flat video, you can actually choose which perspective to pick. So you can either do custom, you can either do bottom view, top view, front view, rear view, and of course selfie view. That's also my favorite feature because the selfie view will always track your own face no matter how you move and no matter where the camera is. So you don't have to worry whether the camera is pointing at your face or not while you are recording the video. Like what you see here, I'm recording me going up and down the stairs. I don't even look at the camera because I know it will always track my face. And at the same time, I also have the 360 video file for me to edit and reuse next time. Now let's talk about time-lapse mode, okay, because it's also quite interesting. We can shoot time-lapse in 8K. What camera can let you shoot time-lapse in 8K? Not many, okay? So the X4 Air allows us to shoot resolution 8K, frame rate 30 frames per second, and interval of 2 seconds, 5 seconds, 10 seconds, 30 seconds, 60 seconds, or 120 seconds. So it gives you flexibility on how much interval of the photo that they are shooting to build this time-lapse video. So as you can see here, I am doing 8K 30, 2 seconds of me and my friend walking around, and this is the result. Now let's talk about some accessories that you might have to pay separately to make your Insta360 experience better, okay? So the first one I want to tell you is the mic. So in case you don't know, Insta360 also makes their own wireless mic and it's called the Mic Air. Okay, so I want to show you. It comes with this adapter that you can plug to your phone, and then there's also this receiver, okay, which is like a coin that you can magnetically stick it to your shirt, and then you can connect it to your recordings so that your recordings or your vlogs can have better audio. Next is a very important accessory, which is the accessory to allow us to replace the lens, okay? So this is one of the lens. If in case you break this lens, you have the flexibility to replace it, and it's very simple to do, okay? So all you need to do is just twist, remove the broken lens, put in the new lens, twist again to lock, and that's about it. Now, of course, my favorite accessory is this. This is the selfie stick accessory that has a lot of features, okay? So the first feature I want to show you is it has this compartment to actually let us keep the micro SD cards, and then the head can actually bend so that we can fold the thing in half and keep the Insta360 while it is attached to this thing. So to attach to this selfie stick is very simple. We just need to screw the Insta360 camera in, okay? Turn the screw, and then when it's tight, and if you want to keep it, you can just press and bend it. And there's this loop here that we can loop it around both things, and then they will lock. And once you have this folded and locked, it is very easy to keep in the pocket. So even with this attached, it is still very portable. Now, this selfie stick is not just like this, okay? You can also expand and extend the stick so that you get it to be longer and you can shoot even further from your own face. Very convenient, totally my favorite accessory for the Insta360 X4 Air. Okay, so that was a quick look and also sharing of my experience using the X4 Air And one thing to note is that everything works just as advertised, no problem, except the 29 megapixel 360 photo, because every time you take a picture, it will probably take about 3 to 4 seconds to save it before you can take another one or before you can preview the photo. So I guess that's the only disadvantage. But other than that, this is truly a perfect camera. Okay, I hope this video is able to help you decide whether you want to embark on 360-degree videography or not, okay? And also, if you want to know more about the Insta360 X4 Air, you can click on the link below this video. If you want to buy, it's already online. You can buy on Shopee, or you can click on the link in my Instagram profile. Basically, you just Google and you can just buy it from anywhere, okay? So if you love this video, don't forget to subscribe. Click on the subscribe button below this video, share this with your friends, and also follow me on all social platforms. My name is Smashpop, and I'll see you in the next video. Yo.